I will invoke my authority understanding order number 1 and direct as follows, that the sitting of the House this morning is adjourned. We will have a sitting at 2:30 this afternoon, where the Speaker will give you some important communication.
Mihango cikaro-ini cia mbunge nĩtĩrĩirio mathaa ma kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ kũrũmĩrĩra gĩkuũ kĩa ũrĩa warĩ Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Speaker wa mbunge ya bũrũri Moses Wetangula augĩte cikaro icio igacokereria mũthenya wa rũciũ thaa 4 cia kĩroko na mbunge nĩ makaheo mweke wa gũgatũma ndũmĩrĩri cia macakaya kũrĩ family ya Raila Odinga.
The House stands adjourned until tomorrow, the 16th of October 2025 at 10 a.m.
Speaker oho nĩoririe ambunge gũkehumba nguo njirũ na wambunge atumia magakorwo na ribbon ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya gũcakaya.
Those who don't have black, go and buy this afternoon. And the good ladies should provide ribbons for everybody.
Still coming to terms of what has happened, so I will request you to allow me to do my condolences tomorrow, God willing, because Mr. Speaker, some of us had very, very deep relationship with our leader, and we knew death will come one day, but we didn't expect it now.
Mũtongoria wa arĩa aingĩ mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri Kimani Ichung'wa hamwe na ũguo nĩacakaĩte gĩkuũ kĩa Raila na kuga wĩrutĩri wake mũnene kũrĩ bũrũri ũgũtũra ũririkanĩtwo nĩ atongoria hamwe na Kenya.
I will live to recall how whenever I spoke to the former Prime Minister, he called me my son.
Raila Odinga arohurũka ũhoro.
When the news were broken to us early this morning by His Excellency the President, it was a difficult moment because only a few weeks ago I spoke to the former Prime Minister when he called to condole with me when I lost my dad. And he was upbeat, but he did indicate to me that he was a little bit under the weather.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.
Raila Amolo Odinga, in full realization of the high calling, assumed the office of the people's president